What's up guys, Ritzel here for the Scooter Life and DIY YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be fixing my Amana 4-burner plate electric stove. You know what? One day my wife is asking me to buy a new electric stove because she said that 2 burners are gone. And I said, wait up! Maybe I can fix it myself and save hundreds of dollars, right? So I'm gonna test these burners and see which one is bad. The first one was okay. Now see the second one. I'm turning it on and nothing happens. That's bad. That's faulty. And the third one there, that one is working okay. And lastly, that one is turning on and then it shuts off. So I suspected that one is bad too. Okay, so before I open up the back of the stove, I am hoping that it's not the control board that is causing the problem, because that cost a couple $100 at least, or maybe more. So when I opened the back of the stove, luckily the control board is okay. And I found out that the control switch is burnt, as you can see on the upper left of the switch. So if you want to do the DIY on your electric stove, guys, please click on the description down below and see where I've found and purchased the switches. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and replace the switches. So first thing first is to turn off your 40 amps circuit breaker, and then you unplug the power cable. So even if you're not a professional technician or an electrician, don't worry, you can't go wrong with the connection. 2 wire connector at the top and 3 wire connector at the bottom. So very basic, guys. And if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button. Please like and share. And now the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. So there you have it, guys. It works and it saves me time and money. And thank you for watching. Until next time.